Hola, so today you're stuck with me as your chef. I will be preparing my famous banana bread. I say famous, but I have only made it a few times. I have a terrible memory, so I have my notebook here. Let's bake.
Getting ready.
Let's go!
Mix it.
Melted butter, azúcar. In a different bowl, we do the flour, cocoa, salt, baking powder, baking soda. Where is the cinnamon? A little bit of cinnamon.
They don't love you like I love you.
Mix both of them together.
Like I love you.
Spread this so it does it doesn't stick. Bake it. I think I'm not a chef, but almost.